We flew in, no backup plan, no idea how the weather would turn out. Just one goal, to create something unforgettable. This wasn't a wedding shoot. It was a test of our gear, our team, and our passion.
Okay, ready? Jay. Okay, 1, 2, yeah.
Hey, I'm Ruben B.G. Thomas. I'm a wedding photographer and filmmaker. And this is my first BTS film. It's raw, real, and straight from the heart. Happy! We started with a recce, just walking the space, reading the light, feeling the flow.
This is a location, and I think it's a really good location, very calm. So usually we try to go to the venue before the wedding so that we understand where and what can be done in a better way. So, and also the couple is coming today.
It has to go well.
We'll come here by 5. We'll start the shoot by 5:30.
That evening, I sat with Jay and Geethu, and we planned out the entire shoot. This was my first official wedding on Canon, and for the whole Magic Motion Media team too. I shot on the R5 Mark II. Honestly, I'm in love. My go-to was the 24-70mm f2.8. Covered almost 80% of the shoot. It's fast, sharp, and gives me full freedom to move. I paired it with the 50mm 1.2 for those timeless portraits. We filmed the entire event in 4K, 10-bit C-Log 2, because moments like this deserve to be told in full depth and full quality. The colors were clean, the details were spot on, and the post-production, it was so easy.
It's like my whole dream is coming to life. So I'm very, very happy. Very happy actually.
Everything just flowed better. And then this happened.
Like, even when it started raining, you guys like literally got here and then still took some pictures. And, you know, like the people that were there, they were like, how are these guys managing it even in the rain? Like, so honestly, yeah, thank you guys.
Jay and Geethu said yes, and that rain session became the soul of the film. This wasn't just my shoot. It was a full-on team effort. From light to lens, every frame had someone's heart in it.
Since we mentioned this wedding thing or planning or whatever, first thing I said to him is, I sent him your Instagram page. I don't know what you're going to do. I need them.
This isn't just a BTS reel. It's the start of something new. More stories, more vlogs, and more truth behind the lens. No retakes, no filters, just real moments, captured with love.